Claire. Look.
Whoops. Come on.
It's a little windy.
Oh, it's like they just...
That's probably why there's like 500 of those in the cupboard. Oh.
Okay.
So cute.
Happy birthday, dear Vala. Happy...
She's just like, uh-huh.
Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Blow it up.
Yay! She's like so confused. Okay.
Claire,
Claire.
you want a cake?
You weren't even over here for Claire. Get
Claire.
over here.
Claire, you want a cake? Come here. Want one of these?
Want the cake?
Here you go. Here, Claire.
Go get your cake. Go get it.
Eat it.
She's like, can I eat this? You let me?
Here, Claire.
Oh, they're home. She'll never eat now.
Claire, cake. Yeah, Vala.
Claire, come and eat your cake. Don't be rude.
One more bite. Vala, Claire, here.
Claire, look. Here, look at your cake.
Mmm. Tasty.
She's licking it. Eat it!
You gotta bite it. Yeah, Vala. She's got it down in one gulp. Mmm. Gonna look like your candle? We're gonna save the others for later. Happy birthday!
They smell good.
Mm-hmm.
Peanut butter carrot cake. That's what it smells like. Excuse you. She is satisfied.